They're here that distort the news. You don't know what law is. You don't know what justice is. Where's those news agents of Nigeria? What are they?
That's it.
You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that. That God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that.
Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. Be part of history, every voice matters. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the #Free Nnamdi Kanu Now movement.
The rivers hum, warriors too.
The words, "You came to me with sword and shield, but these days I destroy you in the name of God of Israel," are a modern interpretation of a line from the biblical story of David and Goliath. The original words were spoken by David to the giant Goliath before their famous battle. Original biblical quote, in 1 Samuel 17 verse 45, David declares, "You come to me with a sword and with a spear and with a javelin, but I come to you in the name of the Lord of hosts, the God of the armies of Israel, whom you have defied." Significance of the biblical story. The tale of David and Goliath is a classic underdog story that illustrates the power of faith and courage over physical strength and intimidation. Reliance on faith, David, a young shepherd boy, rejected the traditional armor and weapons of King Saul. Instead, he chose a sling and 5 smooth stones, relying on his faith in God to give him victory. A spiritual battle. David's words framed the confrontation not as a contest between two warriors, but as a spiritual battle between God and Goliath's mockery. His confidence was not in his own ability but in God's power. The giant's defeat. In a famous turn of events, David's single stone struck Goliath in the forehead, causing the giant to fall. David then used Goliath's own sword to behead him, leading to the defeat of the entire Philistine army.